In this video, we're gonna show you why we think that Suzuki GXR 1000 year model 2003-2004 is like the best motorcycle in the world. And it's not that we are some sort of Suzuki lovers. No, we have seen what this bike can do. You know, we have ride that bike on water, on ice, on snow, on deep snow, and on dirt, and it works every single time. It's like the AK-47 of the motorcycles, That engine is so good that if you do the basic maintain, like change the oil and the oil filter, it doesn't matter how much rev limiter you give to it, it can take it. Here is our snow bike. We have ride this thing on a snow and on a water, but this footage what you see right now is filmed last year. And you guys have asked that, what if you sink that? What happens then? You ruin the bike, right? Well, usually the best way to ruin your street bike is to sink it on the bottom of the lake, but not this model. This model is so good that it can handle anything. Here is Juha. He's excited like a monkey balls. He gonna ride that snow bike on the lake, and he has done it once before, so he is like pretty sure that everything gonna go like in the movies. And listen to the metal noise what you're gonna hear. We don't have exact knowledge where that noise is coming from, but our guess is that it's something to do with the power line. But anyway, that noise is increasing and it's slowing the bike down. This is the moment where you can save your engine. You have to kill the engine before it goes underwater, because if it sucks the water inside of it, it's pretty much done. And that means that everything didn't go so well. You can see on the left that there is like 10 meters deep.
Yeah.
We had this winch, couple divers, and the bike spent like 5 hours on the bottom of the lake. The last 100 meters we dragged the Suzuki with my van, and we were pretty sure in this point that we have to buy a new bike because no bike can survive this, The Finnish lakes are so nasty from the bottom. They're full of mud, and the mud went everywhere. I mean everywhere. Next day, we went to our workshop and started washing the bike. If I remember right, we spent like 3 hours just washing the mud off from the bike because there was mud everywhere.
Well, now the Suzuki is almost clean. Our plan is to take the air filter box off, injection off, and then the spark plugs off, and then run the engine until it's dry. The oil was almost water. Oh man, oh man. Nice! God dang! Juha is very happy. Awesome job.
I didn't plan this.
Was it even fun?
Yes, it was. First 10 seconds.
Now we are removing the spark plugs. This side is dry. Interesting. Now we're gonna turn the bike upside down.
Kuravellia tulee imusarjasta.
Now I will do oil gasoline mix, and we fill the cylinders with this and then run the engine.
This is our own technique.
Yeah. I don't know if this is a good idea, but we're gonna do it anyway. Ihan vähän vaan ja. Woo!
Should we put oils now?
Maybe. Plop, plop, plop. Now the engine should be dry, so we can put the spark plugs back. Yeah. Now we get the spark plugs, we got injection air filter, and now we check is the fuel pump empty.
Is it empty?
Yeah, I think it is. Fresh gasoline. You are ready to go. Now we have done almost everything what we can, you know. We have tried the engine, we have changed the oils and changed the gas, and now we need to fire it up and see does it work anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, oh my god. Woo! Only 3 cylinders.
Spark plug. Should we put those tight?
Yeah, maybe.
We left the spark plugs a little bit loose because we guessed that if there is water in the engine, it comes out because the spark plugs isn't tight.
It's impressive. It started running, but only 3 cylinders.
So we decided we gonna change new spark plugs and restart it.
Let's go.
Again, with new spark plugs. Yep. Woo. Oh my god, this is fucking working.
So the bike started working with all 4 cylinders. Let's think about this. That bike spent like 5 hours on the bottom of the lake, over 9 meters deep. And all we need to do is try the engine, change the spark plugs and fire it up. It's impressive, and this is like the reason why we are always said that this is like the best motorcycle what there is. You can't break that engine.
Suzuki GXR 1000. Best fucking bike in the world, hands down.
So in this point we were pretty happy that the engine is running with all 4 cylinders. But we knew that there might be some problems with that engine or with those wirings on the future. But we have ride that bike now, whole year, and we have had 0 problems.
This is the reason why we have always said that Suzuki 1000 year model 2004 is hands down the best bike what humans have created.